今日も新幹線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。この電車はのぞみ号東京行きです。途中の停車駅は京都、名古屋、新横浜、品川です。この電車は全席禁煙となっております。おタバコを吸われるお客様は喫煙ルームをご利用ください。普通車の喫煙ルームは3号車、7号車、15号車、グリーン車の喫煙ルームは10号車にあります。駅および車内への危険物の持ち込みは禁止されております。不審なものや行為にお気づきの場合は乗務員または駅係員までお知らせください。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Shinkansen. This is the Nozomi Super Express, bound for Tokyo. We will be stopping at Kyoto, Nagoya, Shin-Yokohama and Shinagawa stations before arriving at Tokyo Terminal. Smoking is not allowed on this train except in the designated smoking rooms located in cars 3, 7 and 15. The smoking room in car number 10 is for passengers in the green cars. Please refrain from smoking in the train, including areas at either end of the cars. The conductor's room is in car number 8. Hazardous items are prohibited on stations and trains. If you notice any suspicious item or behavior, please notify staff immediately. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon make a brief stop at Odawara. The exit will be on the left side of the train. Passengers going to the Tokaido, Odakyu, Hakone Tozan and Daiyuzan lines, please change trains here at Odawara. Thank you.